Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you find yourself constantly stressed about money? It's time to rewrite your financial story and pave the way for a prosperous future. In this video, we'll discuss strategies that will guide you towards financial success, empower you to take control of your finances, and transform your relationship with money. Get ready to embark on a money makeover journey that will change your life. Step 1. Assess your current financial situation. The first step in rewriting your financial story is to assess your current financial situation. Take an honest look at your income, expenses, and debt. Create a budget that aligns with your financial goals and prioritize your spending. Identify areas where you can cut back and save money. Remember, taking control starts with understanding where you currently stand. Analyze your income and expenses. Take a close look at your income sources and how much money you bring in each month. Consider any additional income streams you can explore. Next, analyze your expenses. Categorize them into fixed, such as rent, mortgage, and variable, such as groceries and entertainment. Identify any unnecessary expenses that you can eliminate or reduce. Evaluate your debt. Debt can be a significant obstacle to financial success. List out all your debts, including credit cards, loans, and outstanding balances. Determine the interest rates and prioritize repayment accordingly. Consider debt consolidation or negotiation options to alleviate the burden. Creating a plan to tackle your debt will bring you closer to financial freedom. Step 2. Set clear financial goals. Once you have assessed your current financial situation, it's time to set clear and achievable financial goals. Without goals, it's challenging to stay motivated and focused on improving your finances. Define short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals that are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. Setting goals will give you a roadmap for success and help you stay on track. Short-term goals. Short-term goals typically span from a few weeks to a year. These can include building an emergency fund, paying off a small debt, or reducing expenses. By achieving short-term goals, you gain momentum and confidence to work towards more significant financial milestones. Mid-term goals. Mid-term goals are usually achievable within 1 to 5 years. Examples may include saving for a down payment on a home, starting an investment portfolio, or paying off higher interest debts. These goals require consistency and discipline, but the rewards are well worth it. Long-term goals. Long-term goals extend beyond 5 years and often involve significant milestones such as retirement planning, purchasing a property, or funding your children's education. These goals require careful planning, smart financial decisions, and long-term commitment. Start working on your long-term goals early to give yourself a solid foundation for the future. Step 3. Master your money mindset. Your mindset plays a crucial role in rewiring your financial story. To achieve sustainable success, you must develop a healthy and positive relationship with money. Let go of limiting beliefs and adopt an abundance mindset. Rethink your relationship with material possessions and focus on long-term wealth accumulation rather than immediate gratification. Embrace an abundance mindset. Believe that there is more than enough money and opportunities for everyone. Embrace the belief that your financial goals are within reach and that you have the power to manifest abundance in your life. Cultivate gratitude for what you already have while staying open to receiving more. Instead of viewing saving as deprivation, reframe it as a way to invest in your future. Prioritize spending on experiences and assets that align with your long-term goals, rather than on short-term gratification. Cut back on impulsive purchases and focus on building wealth through smart saving and investing. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our Money Makeover: How to Rewrite Your Financial Story for Success video. By following these essential steps, assessing your financial situation, setting clear goals, and mastering your money mindset, you have the tools to transform your financial future. Remember, rewriting your financial story takes time and effort, but the rewards are truly life-changing. Start today and embark on a journey towards financial success.